This is the lake we're gonna go on. That's a cool lake.
We have arrived in Branson, Missouri. You guys, I am so excited about this weekend. I have planned the sweetest, most fun weekend with some of our best friends from Tulsa. They're driving in to Branson. We just drove in through an absolute, pretty much a hurricane. We had about 5 hours of constant downpour rain, and then the skies opened up and the last 2 hours were beautiful. Thank you so much to Cricut for sponsoring today's video. Because of Cricut, I was able to make this trip extra special with our besties because I made some really sweet, kind of like sweet little mementos for them. Is that the right word? I think so. For them to remember this trip by and to have something special from us. I'm so excited. Brody, are we here? You're here. We made it.
So, where are you?
No one's here yet but us, so I'm gonna set up a few of my little goodies that I brought for everybody. Sawyer, do you wanna help me set everything up? Where'd you go? Should we go set it up?
Yeah, but don't show anybody our goodies.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Okay. I am so obsessed with my Cricut Maker 3. This is a cutting machine from Cricut. So if you guys are not familiar, you can create your own designs within Cricut's program on your computer. You can literally print vinyl for t-shirts. This is the iron that I use from Cricut. I love it because there's a timer setting and a heat setting, so you don't overdo it. You do it exactly for the amount of time it says on the packaging. When you pull this clear part off, it's like an actual professionally done t-shirt. It's amazing. So this machine creates the logo or whatever thing that you create on your computer. It cuts it. It's like genius. It can cut on vinyl. It can cut on the iron-on, which is what I use for the t-shirts. The vinyl, as you see here, it's permanent, and I used it for the cups that I made the kids. So basically, I printed that out, and then I used this transfer paper. It's kind of sticky on one side, and you score it onto the sticky like tape almost. That way you can line it up on your cup perfectly, and then you kind of score it onto the cup. So you push really hard with that little tool, peel it off, and then it is on for good. It's actually really fun and like therapeutic to do this. It seems like, you know, it could take forever, but it didn't. The kids had a show on. I was just in the kitchen kind of doing my thing. I love that my Cricut machine allows me to have the creativity and the freedom to literally create anything I want, to customize an event or a party, and it just makes it really special. I didn't have to order anything from a company. I could just do it myself. That's so empowering, and it's actually really fun. So we have always called ourselves the Oklahomies because none of us are from Oklahoma and we all moved there at the same time. So anyway, I thought I would monogram all the merch for our trip. So the kids have shirts, we have shirts, the kids have cups, and we have cups. I just think this makes it so special and just like such an added, exciting little element to the trip and something to always remember this awesome weekend that we're about to have together. They have not arrived yet. I cannot wait for them to get here and to see this beautiful house and all their fun little outfits. It's gonna be great. Now we're gonna go in the jacuzzi. Our friends aren't getting here for like another hour, and it's getting to be a little stormy and windy. Look at this view of the lake from our bedroom. I mean, there's no bad view from any of these rooms. This is crazy.
Mommy, watch this.
Look at that rainbow, you guys. Perfect timing. Our friends just pulled up. Did you see the rainbow? Oh my God!
We bow our heads and thank you. Bow our heads and thank you. Amen. Amen. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Run, run, run! Okay, we are at Pumpkin, what's it called? Shepherd of the Hills Pumpkin Fest 2024. It's so cute here. Say cheese.
Ready, buddy?
Are you ready? Here we go. You did it! Dinner night too. How is it? Burgers? Drops are killing it. So delicious. Thank you. It's another beautiful day and we are going on a boat. Let's do it. We're heading home.
On the road again.
That was literally the best weekend ever. The Oklahomies 2024 trip
Excuse me, sir.
at the lake. Sawyer. I think it's gonna be a yearly occurrence.
Hope so.
We had so much fun, and thank you again to Cricut for sponsoring this video. Honestly, I think the shirts, the boys are wearing them again, the shirts and the cups, they made this trip just so much extra special and like sentimental. And it's a nice takeaway that everyone can take away and have this like memento of the trip. We love this lake. It's been so beautiful and so special. And we miss Scout, so we're gonna go home and get her. Wish us luck. No rain on the drive home. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Later.